Alright guys, working on my 04 Silverado.
Let me tell you something about my Chevy Silverado. Chevys are strong, dependable, and they'll roundhouse kick a Ford right in the fucking mouth.
Not sure exactly when I did it, but I put in an aluminum radiator. High flowing, super cool, blah blah blah, whatever. And the engine would not get up to temp no matter what, so I switched out the thermostat, made sure there's no air bubbles in it, still wouldn't get up to temp. Turns out that the original radiator has a little restrictor into this hose, so I did a test with some vice grips here. So I got to build a restrictor for this because of the aftermarket radiator, and what that does is just this hose bypasses the thermostat, so it never really heats up. And that's a problem, especially when it's 18 degrees out. So I'm going to build a restrictor for that. I've seen online there's a screenshot of somebody on a forum and then a screenshot from that one onto another one. I would love to give credit to the guy that actually came up with this idea, but it was on Summit and it was a review for one of their radiators, and like I said, it was just screenshot after screenshot of who came up with this idea. But basically he took an aluminum rod, 1/2 inch, and he drilled a 3/32 hole through it, and he said that fixed all of his issues. So that's what we're getting ready to do. So I went to Home Depot. It was about 12 bucks. It's a 1/2 inch aluminum rod, 36 inches long, and now I'm going to cut about 1 inch off of it. If you do use a chop saw like that, you should probably put down your phone and use both hands, one to hold it, one to cut. I know what you're thinking. That is super straight, centered, super fancy. It doesn't need to be. But that's our hunk of aluminum with a hole in it. Smaller diameter hole. Alright, since I dropped the other one, we made another one. This one looks a little better. Anyways, pop the hose off there. This is big enough to where it does not slide into that, so we don't have to worry about any of that. So I'm just going to shove it inside this hose up against this, put it back together, and we are done. So I got the clamp pliers on there right now. I shoved that in there. Now I'm just going to shove it on that nipple, and it should seat itself in there where it needs to be. Hopefully. There is a turn right here, so hopefully it all fits before. I guess I got to use both hands here. Yep, it's fixed. That's much better. As you can see down here, we're at 188.6 degrees. Oh, 190. So the thermostat should definitely be open. And either way, it's way hotter than it was. It would only get up to 131 degrees before we did that aluminum rod in there.